After Tesla Giga Berlin's victory, conservationists are making now their new and higher move. They are taking Tesla Giga Berlin's tests to the higher administrative court. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and Giga Berlin news and like this video if you find it informative, please. Several environmental associations continue to take legal actions against production tests in the Tesla factory in Grünheide, Oder-Spree. This was announced by the Naturschutzbund, Nabu, and the Green League on Wednesday. After the administrative court in Frankfurt Oder rejected an urgent application by the associations on Tuesday, the associations are now taking action before the higher administrative court OVG. Spokeswoman Christine Scheerhorn confirmed receipt of the complaint by the court. File number 11, page 78, drop 21. According to the DPA, the conservationists justified this step with the accusation that the administrative court only based its decision on a balancing of interests, since it considered the chances of success in the main to be open. In addition, the resolution waives any dispute with the legality of the procedural approval of the early start. Environmental associations rely on safety reports. At the beginning of the month, the State Environment Agency gave Tesla permission to test the production processes in its almost completed electric car plant in Grünheide, Giga Berlin. Such pre-approvals may only be granted if approval for the overall project is likely. Nabu and the Green League do not see this positive approval prognosis for the Tesla project in Grünheide because the safety precautions in the factory are inadequate according to an expert report. In addition, Tesla has fundamentally revised its plans. The Ministry of the Environment had declared that these were function tests in which only small amounts of substances that are hazardous to water and significant in the event of an accident are used. Therefore, the knowledge gained from a submitted accident report would not conflict with this decision. The nature conservation associations see it differently. The necessary positive approval prognosis for the issuance of the overall project due to an accident report obtained from the State Environment Agency is not possible. The report came to the conclusion that critical points such as the leakage of toxins had to be fundamentally reworked, according to a contradiction of the association. Application documents are publicly available for the third time. Tesla lacks final environmental approval to build the Giga Berlin factory. It is therefore building with early approvals. The timing of the final decision is unclear. At the beginning of June, the US company Tesla submitted extensive application documents for the construction of its vehicle factory to the State Office for the Environment (LFU), which are publicly available until July 17 and can also be read on the internet. The chances in the ongoing approval process were necessary, among other things, because the company is also planning to manufacture battery cells on site. Objections to the changes to the project can be raised until August 16. The LFU then decides whether the objections need to be discussed again. Tesla recently detailed more information on how it wants to save on car production at Giga Berlin. Battery factory, huge casting robots, and new plastic production. Tesla has big plans in Grünheide. The group has to do that too, because the cars are still not profitable and the competition is lurking. To make car production more profitable and affordable to masses, Tesla needs to lower its production costs, and the big role in it is lowering the cost of Tesla batteries. Thus, it is not surprising that Tesla wants to produce its cars more efficiently and cheaply in Grünheide. The battery is particularly important. It is most expensive individual part in electric cars, and so far almost all manufacturers have bought them mainly from suppliers in Asia. Tesla now wants to produce the currently available construction plans in Grünheide batteries itself. According to Elon Musk, they should be particularly cheap and also offer more range. Particularly important, the individual battery cells are larger and are packed more tightly. That has already happened, but that's not stupid, because the small electronics per modules are no longer needed. The costs go down, says Seven Bayer from BMZ, a company that produces batteries for construction machinery, for example. And the battery will be more stable because now the cell is its own plate and lower bearing part. The aim of the battery is to improve the overall rigidity of this car. Tesla wants to use a few large robots at Giga Berlin instead of many small ones. Tesla also wants to break new ground in car body production. Many manufacturers combine many individual parts with one another, says Stefan Bratzel from the Center for Automotive Management, Automotive Research Institute in Bergisch Gladbach. Tesla, on the other hand, casts large parts of the body in one piece. With the help of a few aluminum casting robots the size of a small house, Tesla wants to save many small welding robots, production steps and costs. According to Stefan Bratzel, car manufacturers normally create around 25% of the added value in the production of a car themselves. Suppliers take care of the rest. If Tesla lives up to its announcement and takes over classic supplier production such as batteries, plastic parts and seats itself, Bratzel estimates that Tesla's share in the value creation could increase to at least 35%. But Tesla is not alone in its strategy of producing expensive, important parts itself. German companies are now also thinking about their own batteries, says Maximilian Fichtner, who researches batteries at the University of Ulm. Volkswagen, for example, is planning 6 battery factories in Europe. The Wolfsburg group wants to work with the Swedish Northvolt. If you do all of this on your own, you wouldn't be able to do it in terms of time. Tesla has a head start, continued Fichtner. Automotive experts estimate that Tesla's lead in battery technology is around 2 years, so it is not surprising that Tesla company is in such a hurry to build a factory in Brandenburg. So it also depends on what is happening in Grünheide, whether Tesla will soon also be making profits for its cars. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are on all these developments, on Tesla's efforts to drop the prices of cars, make cheaper cars, and also the move by the conservationist organizations taking their case against Tesla Giga Berlin to the higher administrative courts. What should Tesla do in your opinion? This is Armin Harayam from TalkNews.com. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla, Giga Berlin, and breaking electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Please, after you subscribe, and also share in social media, give us thumbs up, like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon.